Hello ladies and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. There are several keratin treatments available today that claim to keep your hair smooth and shining for an extended period of time. But as time passes and the impact of the salon service wears off, you will notice a significant change in how your hair has gotten more damaged than before. Chemical and artificial alternatives abound in the salon keratins, which might be damaging in the long run. The best option for your hair is to utilize a homemade keratin treatment. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you a homemade recipe for healthy, shiny and strong hair and the result from the first use. Well, let's get started. All we need is 2 tablespoons of sesame seed. Sesame seeds are abundant in omega fatty acids, which nourish the hair, improve hair growth. Sesame seeds have good moisturizing properties for the scalp and aid in blood circulation, stimulating hair follicles to produce healthy hair. Sesame seeds possess anti-aging properties and can prevent premature graying of hair as they contain antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. 2 tablespoons of cress seeds. You can replace it with flaxseed. Cress seeds are packed with calcium, iron, dietary fiber, and various vitamins like A, C, and E, which can help with hair growth. 4 tablespoons of rice. The amino acids present in rice strengthen hair roots and help in the regeneration of hair, aiding faster growth overall. It contains vitamins B, C, and E, all of which help in hair growth. Rice contains starch and proteins that coat the hair and make it look thicker and shinier, which you will notice right away. One tablespoon of olive oil. Mix all the ingredients and add 2 cups of water and leave it on medium heat until cook. Leave it for about 30 minutes. Mix with a blender. Well, you can add some water to facilitate the process. And strain it with a strainer or cloth like this. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and mix well until you get this texture. Now, how to apply it? Apply it on your hair and leave it for about 2 hours. And wash it with warm water with your favorite shampoo. And you will see the difference yourself. Just amazing results. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend. And thank you so much for watching.